first grade friends, it's Mrs. Hannah over here. I am going to teach you a new game called Roll and Record. This is a really fun game in order to practice adding two numbers together. All you need is 2 dice, a piece of paper that says Roll and Record. You can make your own little sheet or you can print this out, and something to write with. I'm going to use a black marker so that you can see my writing. Okay, so if you don't have dice, I have assigned this game to you on Savvis Easy Bridge, so you can go and find the Roll and Record game and you can play this game. So what you do is you roll the cubes and you add it and record your answer. So I'm going to roll the first one. I'm getting a 2 and I'm getting another 2. 2 and 2. If you want to, on yours you'll see these little, I'm going to move this over, you'll see these little cubes and you can build it. So you can build 1, 2 was the first roll, and then the second roll was 2 more. 1 and 2. And then you add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer was 4. Over on my Roll and Record, I'm going to write the number 4. Okay? Now, this game is a race, but it's not a race with a partner. It's not a race with a family member. It's a race with the numbers. It's a race to see which number gets to the top first. The game is over when one of these columns is completely filled up to the top. If you already know how many dots are on the die, and then you add them together, you can just roll and record right here. You don't have to show it up here with your cubes, but if you need the cubes, they're there for you. Let me play again. I'm going to roll the first one and roll the second one. I have another 2 and a 2. So I know 2 and 2 makes 4. So I'm going to write the number 4 again. So I'm writing the number 4 in the 4's column. I'm going to play again. Another 2 and a 1. 2 and 1 makes 3. So I'm going to write the number 3 in the 3 column. 3 and 3. 3 and 3 more makes 6. And if you don't know that, you can count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can use cubes over here. So here's 6. So now 6 is going to go over. I'm going to do it one more time. 5 and 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I'm going to write an 8. Okay, so this game is, again, a race with the numbers. You're trying to see which column can go all the way to the top. So far, my number 4 is winning. It has 2 number 4s in the column. So that means I added the 2 dice together to get the sum of 4 2 times. I want to see if maybe 4 will win. Oh, another column or another number might win. This is a game that you can play online through Savvis Easy Bridge, or you can play this game. If you have dice at home, you can even use your own dice. I hope you have fun playing this game. Bye, friends.